Over to news from Karnataka, where there's a churn in the BJP amid reports that a section of MLAs are unhappy with Chief Minister Yediyurappa. The BJP core committee and state executive will meet on December 4th and 5th. They're likely to discuss the all-important issue of a cabinet expansion. The meets are being held amid a lot of speculation about possible change in leadership. Several legislators are miffed with the Chief Minister because he vowed to make an MLC, Yogeshwar, a minister. MLAs feel that elected representatives should be given preference. BJP Chief Whip in Karnataka, Sunil Kumar, meanwhile, has written a letter to party president Nalin Kumar Katil saying that many ministers, MLAs are making public statements on internal matters. He further added that BJP is a disciplined party and this shouldn't be done. He's urged the party leadership to address immediately the grievances of the MLAs. Nagarjun Dwarkanath is joining us live from Bengaluru with more details on this. Nagarjun, the rumbles within the Karnataka BJP growing louder now against Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa. The BJP can claim all is well, but the reality is that MLAs are consistently speaking out now against Yediyurappa.
Well, that is true. In fact, it all started with the CM political secretary himself who spoke out against the chief minister saying, I'm disappointed with the stand that the chief minister has taken to consider someone who's lost the election and has become an MLC to be a cabinet minister, but not the MLAs who have come directly from the election who represent the people. What the concern is that the cabinet expansion, they want MLAs to be given choice over option over the MLCs, because there's already two MLCs, including the deputy CM who's come from the upper house. But now, if you're putting more MLCs in the cabinet, what message would it send and how can they address the people when they go back to the constituency? And not just that, now the Karnataka chief whip of BJP here, Sunil Kumar, has also written a letter to Nalin Kumar Katil, the party president, saying ours is a disciplined party and I'm not okay with the way MLAs and ministers are making statements in open. It's high time that a stage is given to all these MLAs to put out their grievances, and the party president should address it. And BJP is a disciplined party and this is not what we stand for. So clearly things are churning out big time in BJP in Karnataka.
All right, Nagarjun, thank you for getting us that update.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.